Today we are going to discuss the second one, the Mann-Whitney, test for non-parametrically. In this case, in this test, we have two groups, so we can compare the pooled t-test. Is actually the pooled t-test is one of the testing procedures for the two sample t-test. So in the t-test, we assume the normal population. We assume the normal population and the large sample. So we apply the parametrical. The parametrical is approach, but now it is a non-parametrical. I mean, the Mann-Whitney is a non-parametrical. That means we are not assume the normal population, and sometimes we have a small sample. So definitely we don't need the equal variance assumptions. So we just need simple random sampling, and we just need an independent sample, because we have two samples. So please review what was the pooled t-test as a independent two sample t-test, but please compare to the Mann-Whitney is a test one. So let me look at the example here. In this example, definitely we have two groups. As one is the without and the other one is with. So the step number one, we can compare the two groups, and we assume the first one is bigger than the second one. So it's actually it will be the right-tailed. And the Mann-Whitney test is the same thing. We need the ranks. So here is the back-to-back, the stem leaf plot. So it's actually, it is the 88 is 95 and 104, and this one is 100 is 55, right? So you can see the observations each, then we can rank them. We assign the rank 1 is the smallest one. So that is a rank number 1. The smallest one is 88. And the second smallest one is a 95. And 100